It was a hectic effort gaining entrance to the courtroom where the President of Senate, his deputy and 2 others were arraigned for an offense bordering on forgery. Their supporters and security personnel were soon around the court premises as other senators came in their numbers to show solidarity with their leaders. After they were docked and pleaded not guilty, the prosecution counsel opposed their bail application, except the one filed by Saraki's lawyer. The federal government's counsel agreed that if the defendants are granted bail, that they will influence the witnesses who are going to testify against them.
The outcome is that the case has been adjourned to the 11th day of July 2016 for the prosecution to call its witnesses to prove the case that the 4 defendants have actually committed the offenses of criminal conspiracy and forgery.
Defense lawyers cited relevant sections of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 to support their agreement for their client to be granted bail. Justice Halilu, while ruling on the bail application, held that granting bail to an accused person is to enable the defendant, who is presumed innocent, properly defend itself. The judge subsequently granted the bail application, asking the defendant to produce 2 sureties, each who must have landed properties in highbrow areas of Abuja.
We ought to have granted bail in his on several cognizance. He's an outstanding citizen. He's never been charged with a proper offense before, never been convicted.
The bail conditions, because you don't know what the conditions were, we are not prepared for it. However, we try to meet up with the conditions set by the court. The court have diligently taken into consideration of various applications.
The matter has been adjourned till July 11 for further hearing. Basil Okafor, Core TV News, Abuja.